Emily's excited. She gets to smash things.
Always.
Hi guys.
Hi. We're ready to start doing things.
You ready to start doing things? We tinkered around with the car and we put a battery in it and turned it on, and we didn't get any fuel pressure. So we pulled the relay box open and checked that out, and all of it seemed to work. So we pulled the back seat out to see if maybe it was the fuel pump, and there's no fuel pump.
That's a problem.
And that's the problem. So while we wait for a new fuel pump, we are gonna tear out the interior because it's nasty.
Nasty.
Should I show the interior?
You should. Just so people know before and after here.
They can have good
Oh,
nightmares.
here, go on
of
the
this.
other side.
The other side? So yeah, here's the interior. Super gross. Probably not worth saving. So we're gonna
Well,
rip it out.
my back seat.
Nathaniel wants the back seats for his car because his are rough. But as you can see, no fuel pump. So we gotta get a fuel pump, which kind of sucks, but we'll figure that out. So we're gonna rip the interior out and maybe do some other things, because this window doesn't roll up and down. That one does.
Yeah. Well, that window also sounds a little suspicious.
This one sounds like it's stuck on something, and the sunroof doesn't do anything. So we're gonna see if we can figure that out, because it's not necessary, but it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
So let me get you set up, and then we'll go time lapsing. We got all this interior out. It's quite a mess out here. All of that came out of the car. So, yeah, pretty gross. Nathaniel and Emily are still taking out the HVAC system. So that's all coming out right now. And then we're pretty much done. So.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's time to just vacuum and spray out. Get all the cobwebs and stuff out of there.
Should we roll it out here and hose out the interior?
Yeah.
We should, because it'd be easier to vacuum too. So I'll just roll it down. Because the shop vac blows a bunch of wind everywhere.
Okay.
So
it sounds like we're gonna get all this stuff out of the way, probably pack it away, whatever we want to keep, and pile up the rest somewhere. Probably in the back of Dodge truck, because that's wasting away over there.
That's the dumpster bin.
that's the dumpster.
Dumpster truck.
I'm gonna take my seat.
Nathaniel wants the back
I think you
seats.
can probably fit them in your car, honestly.
I think so too.
Yeah.
That's why I'm putting them over here on the porch.
Yeah.
Nathaniel wants them for his E36, so.
Yeah. And we got, our supervisor here, hard at work.
Hey,
Axel.
what are you doing?
Here, let me get an inside shot.
Yeah, go ahead.
See how things look here. Oh yeah.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Yeah. Go. Sorry, I'm just so excited. I've never seen you Hulk something like this. This is bad.
I need a hold back to Hulk.
That'll do. Except we left the middle piece down here, so that's okay. All right.
Oh yeah. There you go.
With enough bunga bunga.
Bunga bungas. I'm so proud of you. All right, so it's the next day. Yesterday we finished hosing out the inside of the car and fixing the window and all that. Well, not fixing it, but we got it to roll up, which is a huge improvement from last time. So yeah, as you can see, it's still not the prettiest car in the world, but tearing the carpet out definitely made a huge difference. I'm excited for the next episode that's coming out. We're going to be installing some fun parts on the front end of the car just to make it look a little more like a car. So stick around, and we'll see you in the junkyard.
What's up, buddy? What's up? Oh no, I caught a screw. Whatever.
Whoa, hey, 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 whoa, whoa, hey,
Woman.
hey.